Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. This video will consist of spring/summer outfits. Walmart just put out a whole new collection and I'm excited. Like, girl, it was so many things to choose from. I narrowed it down. I got some items, and yeah, per usual, you'll go shopping with me first and then we'll go into styling of the outfits. Everything will be linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so again we're gonna go shopping first. I'm gonna show you around my store, show you what they have to offer, and then we'll jump into styling the outfits. Okay sis, so here is the first look, and girl, when I say I'm in love with the color, their whole collection, or their new collection that just came out, is really based upon all of these colors, like the entire collection, and I am here for it. You already know I'm doing color all spring and summer, and yeah. Anyways, this is from the women's section. Brand is Free Assembly, size medium, and it was $22. It says that this is their crochet top in the color fuchsia. And again, y'all, I'm here for the color. Like, the color is everything. And then it's knit or crochet. I think it's the same thing, but I love a good knitted top. Like, I'm here for it. The holes are very like subtle. I would recommend wearing dark undergarments just in case, you know, if you wear a light undergarment, that you'll be able to really see it. With my dark undergarment, I could barely even tell that it had holes in the top, but it is so cute. Size medium is my normal size. I didn't upsize, I didn't go down a size, and this fits me perfectly. I did opt to tuck it under in my bra just because I felt like it was cuter as a crop top, and I just really love a crop top. And yeah, I mean, you could wear it as is. It does have like these little, I don't know, what is it, ruffles? I wouldn't say ruffles, but it has like a little design at the bottom. I think it's cute or whatever, but I just liked it better crop. Again, you ain't gotta be a hoochie like me. I know, like, girl, why you got that shirt crop? I just thought it was cute. And yeah, it's just really nice. The material is nice. It's thick but not too thick, and it's not, yeah, it's thick but not too thick. But yeah, really nice material. I paired it with these pants. Now y'all, girl, if I can get them together, these pants are super old. It's from the brand Free Assembly. I did get them from Walmart. I want to say during the spring, no, excuse me, the fall or winter time, they were on sale for $9, and girl, you just cannot beat that. I did see some ones, like, I tend to go after this type of light wash, and I did see some ones in the store, and then I was like, girl, we're not gonna get no new ones because it's very similar to the ones that I already have. And yeah, like, why buy some more? I just really love these. They have like the little raw hem at the bottom. That's another one of my favorite little things. Like, I love anything with a raw hem. They fit me like a mom jean. I don't know if it says that. It just says super high rise. Yeah, super high rise straight. They fit me like a mom jean. I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you the size, but they fit me like a mom jean. I got them in a size 10, and 10 is my normal size, just for reference, or whatever, but 10 is my normal size in these jeans, or period, I guess, because I wear size 10 in Zara as well. So yeah, but again, y'all, I really love the fit. Like, they're like a mom jean. It's not too tight. It's just really perfect because I don't like my jeans to be super tight on me, and the fit is just very nice. But yeah, I think it paired really nicely with the I was gonna say with the crop top, with the top that I made into a crop top as well. The shoes are from Fashion Nova. I got them some odd years ago when the Bottega kind of dupe shoes was in. And then as well, the bag is from Zara, the necklace is from Zara, and then the earrings are from Target. So next we have this real cute plain white top, and y'all, when I say I love plain white tops, like it kind of reminds me of a Zara top just because it has those big sleeves and it's very structured and the material is very nice. Again, Free Assembly is the brand, size medium, and it was $22 as well, and it just says puff sleeve top. And y'all, again, she is so cute, and look at the sleeves. I love big sleeves. Girl, when I say it really reminds me of a Zara top, just a little cheaper. It's very structured. I'm not gonna say struggle. Well, I kind of did. Just to get my last, yeah. Why? Losing my train of thought. But when I tried to get my last arm in, it was a little struggle to the point where I thought I was gonna like rip the fabric, just because it is very structured. It's no stretch to it at all. Maybe next time I'll try to put it on differently. I'm not sure, but I did struggle just a tad bit to get my last arm in the sleeves because it is so structured. I think it should have came with like a zipper or something. Anyways, it's still a really cute top. Again, very nice material, very structured, like a button-up type of top. It has a split on the side. I wish it would have gave like a longer split or something, just because at the bottom it is very boxy and it's kind of like big, like a peplum. Is that peplum top? So it just didn't have like no shape. I don't know, it was just a little weird at first, and then I was gonna tuck it on the side, but I kind of just left it as is. This as well comes with a skirt. It's supposed to be a set, but I didn't really want to wear it as a set because I don't know, I just really liked it with the jeans. But yeah, super cute top, paired it with the same jeans, and then some booties that I got from Charlotte Russe some odd years ago. The same jewelry. Y'all, I forgot to mention the hat. The hat is from Walmart as well. It is, girl, it's super old. It's from the brand Time and True. Not that my camera is gonna focus, but yeah, it's from the brand Time and True. I got it, girl, so long ago. I'm not even for sure. They always come out with fedora hats in like this light brown, dark brown, and black, like all year round, because you still wear fedora hats in the spring and summer as well as the winter and fall. So yeah, super old. I just have never worn mine. I kind of really haven't wore half of my closet, so yeah. But yeah, just a super cute hat, and it was $10.97 when I got it. So yeah. So this next outfit is this cute shirt dress, y'all. I think I have so many, well, I know I have so many shirt dresses, and in this same blue and white. Like, I just feel like blue and white is a must if you get a shirt dress. White as well, but blue and white, you could just dress it up in so many different ways. This is from the brand Free Assembly, size medium, and it was $39, and it just says midi shirt dress, and she is just so cute. This as well came in a different color, in a different print. Again, I chose this because I just feel like it's a classic, and I just really love, girl, I just really love blue and white. So yeah, it has like the little darker blue, and then it has the lighter blue, so the contrast of the colors is so cute. It as well has some pockets on the sides, and then you just kind of button it up. The whole thing, again, it's a shirt dress. The material is very structured. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It comes with a little slash so you can cinch in your waist. And girl, she is just really cute. Like, I love the length. I love that it's not too short and it's not too long. As well with the buttons, I kind of wanted like a longer V. I really, really, really love the sleeves, like the shoulders and the sleeves. Like, it's just, you see how it comes out into like this V. I love that because you can put shoulder pads underneath it if you want to, just to give it like a more structured look, but it just gives dressy. It's just cute. I just love it, love it, love it. I paired it with these same booties and the same jewelry, and then the bag is Steve Madden from TJ Maxx. So this next outfit, I would have to say, is my favorite, hands down. You already know how I feel about graphic tees and cargo pants, and just, girl, the outfit came together. It's so cute. So this is from the men's section in the brand No Boundaries, size small and it was $11.98. This is a muscle tee. It does say graphic muscle, which I already knew just because of this long little cutout right here where your arm is. And yeah, it's giving muscle tee, and they had so many different in different colors and styles, but I chose this one because I really love like neutral colors in the brown, and it's just, y'all, it's cute. So as you heard me, I said I got it in a size small. You know, medium is my normal size, but since this was a muscle tee, it kind of runs big. As you can see, like, it's very wide, like super wide. I kind of I probably could have got an extra small as well because it's a lot of room. Again, it's like a little muscle tee, so your undergarments will show on the side, but it is just so cute. The top says perfect, and it's like some race cars or whatever. Just really cute, y'all, and the material is nice, and it's kind of, I don't want to say dressy, but it's kind of dressy, or maybe it's just because I dressed it up, but the material kind of gives like a nice quality material. So I paired it with these cargos. You already know how I feel about cargos. Cargos is in, and that has been my thing for a minute. Love these cargos. Again, from the men's section, the brand is Wrangler, size 30-30, and these were $23.98. Now these pants are very fitting. I don't believe it has any stretch to it. If it does, it's very like just a tad. But when I say these fit me to the T, like they fit me to the T. Like, they're tight. They're tighter than the pants that I was wearing from the Free Assembly in this video. And I don't really like tight fitted pants because I just feel like I have no room, but I'm kind of not mad at it. I did dress this outfit up just because the pants were so tight. Like, at the bottom or whatever, they're like fitted, and it didn't look right with sneakers, in my opinion. And the bottom of the pants are very form-fitting, and it kind of is ankle pants on me because they are a 30-by-30. My normal size will be a 30-by-32 and or like a 31-by-32 or whatever. So yeah, it's form-fitting, so I just figured it went better dressing it up than wearing it with sneakers, but you can do as you please. But then on the pants, it has like the little cargo pockets on both sides, and they're just really cute. I love that it's a faded type of camouflage instead of like that bold color, and I think it just pairs so nicely with the brown top. I as well paired it with some clear sandals, and then the fedora hat again because it kind of just made it, I don't know, it just made it into a look, as well as a, well, first of all, I did two bags because I was uncertain. I kind of like the lighter bag better, which is from TJ Maxx, but then I do like the orange bag that is from Zara. So it's really just a toss-up, but overall, just my favorite outfit. So this last look, sis, is from the women's section. The brand is Free Assembly, size medium, and I got it for $18. I was, again, y'all, gonna upsize in this outfit just because I didn't want it to be form-fitting, but I'm kind of glad that I got the size medium because it's not too big. I feel like if it would have been any larger, it kind of would have just been wide, but I feel like this is literally the perfect fit and the perfect length. Like, I really love this top. What does it say? It just says navy blue t-shirt dress. Again, not really like a button-up t-shirt, but I love a good t-shirt dress. She's very cute. I love that it's blue and white because I just feel like blue and white you can do so much with. You can dress it up with pink, as I did, orange, green, like, I'm not gonna say red, so many colors, sis, that just will go really good with blue. I did decide to dress this up with pink just because I feel like pink and blue is just like really cute together, especially like that vibrant fuchsia pink because this is like a royal blue. So my shoes is from Nike, and then the bag is from Zara. And again, y'all, the dress fits me to the T. Nice material. It's not too wide. It's literally the perfect fit. And yeah. Okay, sis, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.